Honest Abe Roofing is sponsoring a Monster Energy NASCAR team. So we're super excited about that. We decided to sponsor a NASCAR team mainly for the exposure for our franchise system and really all our team members as well. It's a national stage, national platform, and I just happen to love racing. A friend of mine raced quarter midgets. I remember spending the night with him one Friday evening after school. I went to school with him, and that night, Friday night, was race night back in Terre Haute, Indiana. And I went with him, because I was spending the night with him, of course, and I'm like, where are we going, man? We're going racing. I was like, cool, what are we racing? And he explained it to me. I went to the shop, and they loaded the cars, we went to the racetrack. So they had 3 cars, and they're racing, and I came home that weekend and told my dad, Dad, you've got to buy a quarter midget. He's like, you're crazy, what the heck are you talking about? Long story short, my dad happened to know somebody who also owned quarter midgets, and his nephews raced. And they spoke about it, and they gave me a chance to drive, and I started driving for that gentleman that following year, and that's when it all started. I first got my taste of going around in circles behind a wheel of a race car. My racing experience translates right into business. As I would walk around Rick's shop here today, I see his team members. I had a chance to speak to a lot of them. And I know, as a racer at heart, all these guys share the same passion I have, which is really persistence. It's so important for our businesses to win, our team members to win, and of course our franchisees to win. And I want that same passion and drive to run through all of us and on all our teams, whether it be the franchise team or our local roofing companies that have that same drive and passion. One of the reasons we chose Honest Abe as a mascot for our company is for that one word that we spoke about earlier, which is persistence. This is a way to tell more people about our services. Ultimately, our core goal as a company, or as a roofing company, is to develop a roofing system and install it one time. So our company's mission is to install permanent roofing solutions, and you never have to worry about your roof again. For the big picture, to advertise and to sponsor cars like this and have more people see us and get more attention, because we have a passion to make sure people don't have to roof more than once. It's your home. We're all so busy, and everything is expensive. So when you put a roof on your house, it's one and done. You don't have to worry about buying another one in the future. The average life cycle in a roof today is about 11 years. If you live in your house past 11 years, it sounds like you're going to buy another roof. The average roofing system in today's market across the country, it averages $17,000. We solve both those problems. We have easy payment solutions, and we have a permanent roofing solution. So the last roof you ever have to buy, and you pay for it as you use it. Why give all your hard-earned money on a product before you even get a chance to use it? So with Honest Abe Roofing, we're solving 2 problems. Number 1, easy payment solutions. Pay for it as you use it, and you never have to roof again when you roof with Honest Abe Roofing. Let's do it. Photobomb.